good of the people who are suffering. I must say that this whole scenario happened because of the deputy director sitting over the files for so long. The matter, but I think it's somehow some things happen after things get escalated, and these things we escalated, and finally we got our work done. But this wouldn't have happened if the deputy director had done her job. That is the clear message that we would like to give.
How was CM's reaction to all these work that was delayed? What was his reaction to the staff, especially the
He
deputy director?
very specifically said, Donald and Street Providence is doing an exceptionally good job, and if people do their jobs well, they should not be denied funds. So he has accepted that the Directorate of Social Welfare and Child Development cannot do this work. So if Donald has been doing it over the years, he understands the pains of the people, then why are you stopping the funds? So please see that you execute the work and get the funds allotted immediately. That was his ultimate reaction that I could read from what we have.
Will there be any action on the deputy director? Is he hinted anything?
We would have definitely demanded that this thing should be suspended, but that she has turned around, and I think if she has turned around and taken the initiative and understood her mistakes and done what was required, then I think we should not get overexcited over this.
We are having an issue of a particular home where the grant for 21-22 and 22-23 is given at the rate of 2,500 rupees. So we were under the impression CM will look into the matter. CM heard us peacefully. He gave us half an hour. He understood the issue, and he did not solve, or he said that it is not possible to go back on those 2 years and give the grants. But he assured that henceforth the grants will be revised. He called the department heads. They were sitting there. They understood the problem. CM was surprised that the grants which the Women and Child Department are giving us is like 1,000 rupees a month for food, 100 rupees a month for medicine. And he asked the department, where is the file? And there was no file. He said they have moved the file, and he had instructed the department to release all our dues as soon as possible. But the problem which we went to address was the particular shelter home for 21, 22, 22, 23, which was calculated at 2,500. He said we cannot help you, which we accepted. Ultimately, he is the CM, and we are sitting in his office, so we didn't have anything to show remorse about. It was a request, and in that request we accepted, and we came out. We came out, and we gave a bite expressing our apprehensions whether it will happen, not happen. We were disappointed, and we went home. It was quite late. But yesterday, that was Tuesday, around 2 o'clock or 2:30, we got 7 orders from the Women and Child Department released, and those orders are about 40 lakh rupees, which is in one home it's for 21-22, and remaining homes were for 22-23, and 4 shelter homes they have given us advance for 23-24, which actually the department, I believe, is supposed to give any NGO advance money. Now we thank the CM. Surely the CM needs to be appreciated for understanding our problem, advising the department heads in front of him to release all our funds, which they should have done in the due course of time, but somehow they are not doing it. And 2 homes are going to be released in the next month for some technical issue, which we are okay with the department's explanation. Department today has deducted, or we can say the department has confiscated or made us forfeit 10 to 11 lakh rupees of that particular home, because they are still paying us the grant at 2,500 when it's supposed to be 5,000. So it's okay. We will look into that matter in the due course of time. We produced before the CM a lot of documents of how this shelter home scheme works.